Good morning students, welcome to the class. I am Rajni, your science teacher in DAV Police Public School, Cathal. We are on the chapter number 5, Food and Health. We have studied about the disease and non-communicable disease. Now we come to the communicable disease. Communicable disease are the disease which generally get transmitted from one person to another person. These communicable diseases are spread by germs through direct contact. When the infected person coughs and sneezes, the disease-causing germs, they transfer from infected person to a healthy person. The communicable disease, they are generally spread germs from infected to healthy person. These germs are transmitted by insects, by air, by water and by soil. The communicable diseases are of various types. For example, common cold is a communicable disease, pneumonia is a communicable disease, tuberculosis is a communicable disease. The symptoms of common cold is cough, sore throat, runny nose. The symptoms of pneumonia is cough, fever, shaking chills and shortness of breath. And the symptoms of tuberculosis is fever, chills, night sweats, loss of appetite, weight loss, weakness, continued cough and chest pain. To prevent, we should keep our surrounding clean and regularly hand wash, and the treatments of antibiotics will be taken. So how can we prevent this communicable disease? To prevent the communicable disease, we should wash our hand regularly. We should cover our nose while sneezing and coughing and use a clean tissue always. We should keep our surrounding clean and hygienic. Regularly, we should keep our surrounding clean. We should not allow the water to stagnate, because in stagnant water, mosquitoes grow and they spread disease. We should throw the waste in the covered bin. We should not eat the junk food, and we should take the proper vaccination. Vaccination must be done to prevent the many diseases like measles, polio and chickenpox. So in this way we can prevent this communicable disease.